Imagine standing at the edge of a foggy road. You know there's a path ahead, but you can't see where it leads. Do you step forward or stay frozen in place? Uncertainty feels exactly like that. Whether it's about career decisions, relationships, or even what tomorrow holds, it can be unsettling. But here's the thing, uncertainty is unavoidable. The real question is, how do we deal with it? Hey, overthinkers, welcome back to Overthinking Out Loud, the podcast where we untangle the thoughts that keep us up at night. I'm your host Megha, and today we are diving into a topic that we all struggle with, dealing with uncertainties. Life throws curveballs when we least expect them. Plans fall apart, opportunities slips away, and sometimes we don't even know what's coming next. And let's be honest, that can be terrifying. So in this episode, we will break it down. Why does uncertainty makes us so anxious, and how can we shift our mindset? And most importantly, what can we do to navigate the unknown without feeling overwhelmed? Let's be real. Our brains hate uncertainty. We crave control. That's why we overthink, overanalyze, and sometimes even choose a bad decision just to avoid the discomfort of not knowing. But what if uncertainty wasn't the enemy? What if it was just a space for possibilities? Think back to the pandemic. One moment life was normal, offices, travel plans, family gatherings, and suddenly everything changed. People lost their jobs, financial stability, health, and even the loved ones. It was a global reminder that no matter how much we plan, things can shift in an instant. But what else happened? People adapted. New jobs, new ways of working, new ways of connecting with family. If anything, the pandemic proved that humans are incredibly resilient. Even when everything is uncertain, we find a way forward. Tip number one, control what you can and let go of what you can't. Grab a pen and paper, draw two circles, one labeled things I can control and the other things I cannot control. Now fill them out. Your thoughts, your reactions, your daily habits. That goes in the first circle. Other people's opinion, unexpected changes, or the economy. That belongs in the second. Once you separate the two, focus your energy only on the first circle because that's where your power lies. Ever felt stuck because you are afraid of making the wrong decisions? Maybe you're choosing between jobs, moving to a new city, or even deciding whether to take the risk on something new. The fear of choosing wrong can keep us from choosing at all. But here's the mindset shift. What if there is no wrong choice, just different paths leading to different experiences? So, tip number two, take small, safe risk. Instead of obsessing over the perfect choice, take a small step in any direction. Want to switch careers? Don't quit. Take an online course first. Thinking about moving? Visit the city for a week first. The key is the momentum. Once you move, the next step gets clearer. Think about the best moments in your life. Chances are they started with some level of uncertainties. Falling in love, starting a new job, moving to a new place. They all came with a question, doubts, and what ifs. But if we let fear stop us, we miss out on growth, adventure, and even happiness. In the pandemic, Many people had to reinvent their careers. Some lost jobs but ended up in a better ones. Others turned their side hobbies into a full-time business. It wasn't easy, but it showed us that even in uncertainties, new doors can open if we are willing to step through them. Tip number 3: practice what if journaling. Next time you spiral into overthinking, try this. Write down your worst case scenarios, best case scenarios, and most realistic outcomes. Often we realize that even the worst case scenarios isn't as bad as we imagine. And if it does happen, we will find a way to handle it, just like we always do. So here's the final challenge: embrace the unknown. This week, do one thing outside your comfort zone. Apply for a job, start that hobby, have that difficult conversation. And remember, uncertainty doesn't mean danger. Sometimes it just means growth waiting to happen. And when you do it, tell me about it. Share your thoughts in the comment or DM me. I would love to hear your story. Until next time, breathe deep, take the step, and trust the process.